Whether it's traditional gold pieces or trendy ethnic ones, jewelry is one of the most coveted parts of any Indian woman's wardrobe. But if the jewelry lover in you is looking for ways to make these ethnic beauties give the ultimate style statement, here's everything you need to know. Jhumkas perfectly complement all Indian wear and suit most face shapes. You can pick a sleek oxidized pair for an ethnic look or more elaborate ones to complement a more traditional ensemble. The Mang Tika is a piece that will instantly add a traditional and festive look to any Indian outfit. It adds a vertical detail and helps elongate your face. Wear it with your entire jewelry set to amp up the look, or with just a pair of earrings for an easy, festive ensemble. Chunky kadas help finish any traditional look flawlessly. They're super versatile and can be worn by themselves for an elegant touch. Kadas can also be mixed with bangles to add an elaborate look for a super traditional outfit. Invest in 2 smaller sets rather than one big piece. This way, you'll be able to style them individually as well as together when you want to make a bold statement. Always remember that pieces in the same or contrasting color family will look more put together. Mix your diamond jewelry with gold pieces for an unexpected edge. A great beginner's tip is to pair simple diamond bangles with thicker gold ones. Diamond jewelry helps add that slight bling and shine to your gold tone jewelry, elevating your outfit effortlessly. Gold jewelry not only finishes an Indian wardrobe, but it's also a great investment. So it's essential to take the right decision when picking these pieces. Jewelry with a mix of gold and silver tones will go a long way in your wardrobe and stay true through ever-changing trends. A small tip to make heavier pieces like statement earrings more wearable is to add saharas to your earrings. Always invest in classic and timeless pieces when buying gold jewelry. Earrings and short neck pieces will always be in style. For trendier pieces like a hathful or pasa, pick artificial items in the same tone to complement your gold jewelry. We are sure these tips will make you a pro at styling Indian jewelry for any occasion. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.